What's up, guys? It's your boy Ceebz, and today I am taking you through an RV tour of the 2020 Thor Delano. We got this RV to be able to travel to different destinations with the clients that we work with and stay there comfortably. It's something that we had been for the last 5 years, been going to different hotels, Airbnbs, all over the place. It made it really challenging to bring what we needed and do what we needed on different shoots, especially with a lot of the clients we work with in the marine and travel industry. They're all over the place. We're there for multiple days on end, and we need to be able to have full Wi-Fi connection, work anywhere we go, back up the footage, whatever it is that we need when we're on the road. This has been the vehicle that we're using to do that. This video, I'm going to be taking you through a full tour of this RV, going to be showing you the full setup.
All right, so it took a couple years, but we got it, baby. We got a bronzing mobile. Look at this thing. I didn't even test it.
All right, so if you guys have zero idea who I am, my name is Ceebz. I started a production company about 7 years ago, was working on a car dealership, quit my job after seeing people just make videos for other clients online and said, hey, that's probably something I can do. 7 years later, we have a production company. We help clients build different marketing campaigns online using video basically as their secret weapon. This guy right here has been our newest addition, along with the company hot tub. Can't forget about that. Over here, we got the inflatable paddle boards. We got the grill set up, different propane canisters. We got the fishing pole, firewood. We're getting the fire going for tonight. Probably gonna do some different steaks over there. I don't always do that. Sometimes it's great to slow down, just do a little campfire cookout. Otherwise, the grill or the inside grill is amazing. And then over here, we have the adventure vehicles, I guess you would say. I just got this mountain bike from Specialized and this bike rack here, which is amazing because with the rear slide on the RV, it was really challenging to find a rack that would be able to work. But with this, it actually slides out to the side. When you need to, you put the slide in, this thing folds back around. It'll break some stuff, but you can see it will just fold back in, which makes it super convenient to just bring all our stuff. It's a real fancy Wi-Fi setup. So this is our Starlink satellite.
But what the hell, boy?
This basically gets us connected wherever we are. Usually we're running from like 30 to 50 megabit download speed and anywhere from 5 to 10 upload. That can range a lot, way lower, way higher, just depending on the satellite availability. This thing has been a game changer for working on the road, probably 5 times as good as going to a local Starbucks. So thank you, Elon. Hire us for your space campaign. Let's freaking do this thing because yeah, we got this. Let's go.
This is one of the stranger places I think I've posted up working for the day. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I just ordered this off Amazon. I actually saw someone at another RV campground that had that. This thing got from 68 degrees to 104 degrees in about 18 hours. Got a little plastic inflatable pump over here. All you need to do is unlock this thing, get the bubbles going. Let's check out the inside real quick. As you can see, this is the inside of the RV. There's plenty of space here once this slide comes out. This will actually come into about right here when we start to break down the RV. It's amazing because there's lots of space. Feel at home. These seats swivel around. You got a bed up here. This guy turns into a bed. So many amazing other features on this thing. As you guys can see, this is the desk setup where I do all my live streams and whatnot. This is also where we do all the work here. Watch TV, watch our video reviews, whatever it is over here. And then you see we got propane stove. You got this insert. So when you need to hit the ones and twos, you just drop this in here, right?
Yo, DJ, spin that shit.
Otherwise, you got to go full stream. So you got like a 3/4 fridge here, I guess. I don't know. Some appliance salesman, please help me figure out what you call these things. It's a good sized fridge, microwave, tons of storage all over the place. Sunlight. We like to keep dark in here because who needs that light?
You really adopted the dark. I was born in it.
And in the back here, this is the actual bedroom. So you have a full-size bed back here. The cool part is this actually turns into a Murphy bed. So when you need to head out for the day, you lock this thing up. This will actually bring the slide all the way in and you're good to go. Once again, plenty of storage back here. This is my clean clothes pile. If you guys don't know about clean clothes pile, you have a dirty pile and a clean clothes pile. You can still wear those clothes again. So you keep them in that pile. And when you're on the road in an RV, you don't have a washer dryer. So you got to pay attention to keeping your shit clean.
It's science.
Other than that, you got some storage back here. This guy here, full shower, you know, not the largest in the world, but that is what it is. And then this is the bathroom here. As you can see, if you're tall and you need to drop a deuce, it's a little hard with long legs. So Yeah, storage up top. Always have to be careful after you drive. Basically, if you ever bought a house, the way I can equate it is buying an RV is like buying a house. Except every time you drive your RV, your like houses goes through a freaking earthquake. So you have to pay attention every time you open these, because the first time I opened this after I drove, a pan fell on my foot, basically broke it. I was dying. I had to get air rushed to the hospital. None of that's actually true, but you guys get the idea. Bad things can happen if you're not paying attention to what is moving around in the cabinets when you drive. And then up front, you got these swivel seats here. This seat we're just using for storage right now, but you can see this guy is full around. That's fun. I was fully into RV life when I found myself just driving in basically my Walter White tidy whities down the road to Tennessee. And I was like, wow, man, RV life, this is it. We've made it. So the cool thing about this RV is it has a 12-gallon propane tank, which will actually fuel the burners here, as well as the outdoor grill. The other cool thing is you have about 20 gallons of fresh water. So anytime you need to be off the grid on the road, you always have access to water. I'm not even hooked up to water right now, but as you can see, we got filtered water coming through, coming in hot. I don't know what else you could possibly need when you're on the go. So we're headed out tomorrow. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit more about how amazing it drives, how we pack this thing all up once it gets condensed.
But first,
we got something special tonight. We got some amazing things going on that campfire out there. So we got some pepper medley. We got ribeye marinating in basil. I don't even know if that's good, but we found some freaking basil. Like, how are you not gonna take this fresh basil?
Let's kick things up a notch.
We got some burgers going down, lots of sausages. So we're going to go get into that. If you guys want to see more, be sure to like and subscribe, because we're going to be breaking down a lot more about what we do with our video production business. We actually work with our clients, what we are doing for them, and basically how we've been able to get paid to travel the world and do ridiculous shit like get hot tubs in parking lots and cook basil-filled steaks. So if you guys love it, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
All right, first morning in the RV. We slept here at a rest stop. It's pretty freaking cool, man.